Hi there, folks. How are you doing today? Well, I hope. You're probably here because you're interested in defining or learning a little bit about this powerful tool called the Fishbone Diagram. Before we define what the Fishbone Diagram is, let's remember you can visit Lean Strategies International LLC anytime you want for free materials, terms, and to find powerful courses that will enhance your knowledge. With that said, we invite you to visit the links in the description and check out more on our website. So, what is a fishbone diagram? The fishbone diagram is a structured analysis tool used to organize potential causes that are associated with a specific effect. You may have heard of this tool referred to before as the cause and effect diagram, the Ishikawa diagram, or you may have heard of the fish methodology. The tool was created by Karu Ishikawa and is still used in many industries today. And that's it, the fishbone diagram. Remember, if you would like to learn more, click on the links in the description and look around Lean Strategies community. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.